in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Town Creek to 8 miles northeast
I'm
of
getting
Kimball
Huntsville
to 6
this
miles
clearly?
southeast of Red Bay, moving
What?
southeast at 25 miles per hour.
Okay, I've never gotten it this clearly. This is
60 miles
impressive.
per hour in gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Russellville, Moulton, Red Bay, Phil Campbell, Town Creek, Cortland, Billgreen, North Cortland, Hillsboro, and Vina. For your protection, move to an
Vina?
interior room on the lowest
What
floor
is
of
this,
the building.
Finnish place or something?
Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is
Get
occurring
of
with
it.
these storms.
Eh.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's
get of it.
leading killers. Remember, if
Go
you can
Casino
hear
Olet.
thunder, you are close enough to be struck by
Yes,
lightning.
I'm learning Finnish.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
At least I'm
warning
trying
has been
to.
issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lawrence, Alabama. The metropolitan area.
Alright. Wow. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna see what other stations I can get. Hold up. Georgia.
Brakes and shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. The current time is 9:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Is there
Time.
anything going on in Georgia?
The following reports of weather indicator at Pryor Field.
Doesn't sound like it.
In Huntsville and is transmitted on a frequency of 162.450.
Oh, wow.
The National
Oh,
Weather
what?
Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 512, effective until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama, Cullman, and Winston. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Alright, cool.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions
Last
and
minute as
listen
well.
for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 512 has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Cullman, and Winston. At 8 p.m. at Cullman Regional Air.
Alright. Cool.